Well, good morning. Let's start our presentation today, and we are going to talk now about the Forex markets. As always, I remember you that those presentations are designed to show how to use technical analysis, and I'm not making any recommendation to buy or sell. It's a lot more. There are a lot more things involved in a buy or sell decision than what I talk here. This is just to give you an idea of the potential of technical analysis to evaluate the market situation. So let's move now to Metastock, and let's start talking about the Euro-US. I was mentioning early this week that we were moving higher, and 2 days ago I mentioned that we reached a resistance level. Indeed, Euro corrected and found some support at this upward trend line, and today is trending higher, is still finding a resistance in the same region. My expectation for the rest of today is not much different than what we have seen until now, and for tomorrow my expectation would be either a small range day or we will be trying to break higher here. But tomorrow it's Friday and we might not be able to break to new highs until next week. So basically what I see here is that we are developing, the market is developing on a triangle type sideways correction, and we will probably be able to break to new highs next week. But this week still there is no really predominant force yet, neither the buying force nor the selling force. They are sort of in equilibrium, and the market needs to decide which way it's going to follow. However, a break below that support level here would make me believe that we will start a correction for the euro, and we are going to trade lower for the euro. So in the meantime, what we need to see is how the market is going to behave, and if there will be enough strength in the euro to break to new highs or not, and we might start a new correction, a longer correction, if we break below those levels here around 1.4032. Another currency pair that I've been talking about is the US dollar, Canadian dollar. It's seasonal strength for the Canadian dollar, so it's pretty much my expectation is that Canadian dollar will go higher and US dollar will go lower. Last week we found resistance at this downward trend line, which is the return line for the down channel, and we started to trade lower for the US dollar. In the last 2 days we found some strength in the US dollar, but not much. It was just a bounce from a support level. We should be trending lower today and tomorrow. Tomorrow we should stop in that support region. That's my expectation for tomorrow. Next week will be the week that will really define if we are going to trade lower or not. And if we find support here, a good one, we might be able to break up that downward trend line, and US dollar will be trading higher. But that will be not normal for the season, and like I expect the American dollar to fall against the euro, I also expect it to fall against the Canadian dollar. And that's even though central banks have been trying to hold the Japanese yen currency, we are still not able to break above that resistance level. The market has been trading sideways, basically sideways, for the last few days. And looking at the chart and the indicators, my expectation is that the Japanese yen will continue to gain strength, and US dollar is going down. So as I mentioned before, right now we are on a decision point, and the market needs to decide if it's going to hold or if it's going to go down again for the US dollar. However, it's very unlikely that in terms of seasonals and fundamentals, I find very unlikely that the market will trade higher here. So let's see how it behaves, and before we make our trading decisions, I would like to remind all of you that we use technical analysis to analyze the charts and find what we expect ahead for the market. So it's basically we apply technical analysis to have a better guess on what could be ahead for the market. So that's the purpose of those videos, is to show you how to use technical analysis to do this. And technical analysis can also be used to create trading strategies, and that's what we talk about on our training courses. We talk about how to, well, first of all, what is technical analysis and what you need to know about technical analysis, and we evolve to teach how to use technical analysis to create strategies that can be traded or that investors can use to build wealth in the long term. So this is not a get-rich scheme. The idea here is really to transfer knowledge and to help you guys gain or to become more confident on your trading or investing. I would like to thank you all that have been watching us have been watching our presentations, and I would like to invite you to visit our website and or to follow me on Twitter. I do not give trading tips on Twitter. What I use Twitter for is to let you know about our courses when we still have some spots available on a course, or if we have a special promotion, and to mention some important news that I see on the news media. I don't think it's healthy to pursue trades based on tips or based on other people's opinion. So what I would like to see is that people start making trading decisions based on knowledge, and that's what our clients are able to do. Well, thank you very much for watching. See you soon.